Okay, there's a storm coming in
As an example.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Yeah, you're all around it.
The mountains are completely plastered with clouds. And the wind is blowing really wild.
It's weird because
Yes, it is.
you know, we said that before. Greg has been very vocal, and for some reason he follows us online.
He does?
Yeah.
Really?
Look at them clouds.
So here's the thing. Like, I think he's funny. I like his comedy.
As long as it rakes up all the leaves.
Everybody loves
I don't mind the
Raymond,
wind
or,
if it
you know,
rakes
he's,
up all
you
the
know,
leaves and
voice
blows
of
them
Goldberg,
away.
right? Like, the guy's, you know, he's funny. Yeah.
Sometimes we
However,
don't have
like,
time
we
to
had a
clean the
chance
yard.
where we met him, and he was like he
All the
came on
leaves
show,
are pretty
and
much
he was
gone.
Such a dick. And we were legitimately disappointed because you wanted him to be cool. Now, if I had sent him a letter, let's say I'm Patton Oswalt, and somebody who's a true fan sent me a letter, it's like, I was kind of disappointed. That I might send a, hey, I'm really sorry.
And
about
there
that.
he
I'm
is.
sure it happened. Maybe it was a misunderstanding. I'm not sure.
Close up.
But when you hate something and you're hate listening, and then
There
you
he
send
is.
something over and you want to
Where is he? There he is.
Well, we just tell you to hit the brakes, and that's when we take you to the crossroads.
We know what
So that's what we got here for you today, everybody.
And we're stuck at the stoplight. Everybody's starting to move, man. It's morning. Yep.
So we get feedback in a lot of different ways. Be it on social
See the
media,
wind?
email,
See,
directly to the show,
It
or
blew over all
one
the
of my favorites is
chairs in
send
the
an
patio
email
this morning.
by going to the station website and clicking on, like, you know, contact the program director or